How to withdraw money from Coinbase. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to withdraw money from Coinbase. First, log in to your Coinbase account on the website or mobile app, and make sure your identity is fully verified so withdrawals are allowed. Then, convert your cryptocurrency holdings into fiat currency such as US dollar or euro by selecting buy or sell, then sell, choosing the crypto asset and the fiat wallet as the destination. Next, go to your fiat wallet such as US dollar wallet, tap withdraw or cash out, enter the amount, and select a verified payment method like your linked bank account, PayPal, or card. For United States bank withdrawals using ACH, choose your bank and confirm the withdrawal. This method is usually free and takes around 1 to 5 business days. For faster access, use instant cash out to a Visa or MasterCard that supports fast transfers. This delivers money in under 30 minutes with a small fee of around 1 to 1.5%. Finally, confirm the transaction, enter two-factor authentication if required, and monitor your Coinbase account history to track the status until the funds reach your destination. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.